How to find someone on Instagram by phone number. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can find a person from their phone number. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you are using the latest version of the app. Head over to your Play Store and search for Instagram. If you see update sign here instead of open, update your app. Then tap onto your profile on your bottom right. Here on your home section, you will automatically see Discover People. Tap on See All. At this page, tap on Connect Contacts. And if you allow Instagram to access your contacts, you will be able to find friends just by their phone number. If you have their phone number saved in your device, they will automatically be shown in your suggested friends for your Instagram. So in order to turn that on, simply tap on Allow Access. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.